Today we are checking out a completely abandoned mall. Regular shopping mall, but it's basically deserted now and it's been run out of business. It's kind of sad, really. Alright guys, I'm filming this video from my phone because it wasn't planned, honestly. We were out shopping. I was shopping with my wife, Carrie, and I just saw this and I had to film it. I remembered like what this was all about, and I was thinking like it would really be beneficial to show you guys this and show you the impact of e-commerce on everything else. So where I'm at right now is I'm at a place called Forest Mall. There you can kind of see it. Well, it's kind of hard to see, but I'll show you when I get out. It's called Forest Mall. It's in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. And what it is it's a mall, like a regular shopping mall, but it's basically deserted now and it's been run out of business. And this is like the impact that e-commerce has had, you know, like Amazon and these big retailers just put these places completely out of business. And Fond du Lac is a big town. It's not like it's a small town or anything like that. It's a very big town, and this mall is completely deserted. So I'm gonna go walk inside there and just show you this. It's absolutely crazy. Comment below if you have anything like this near your area. This is about an hour away from me, maybe 45 minutes, but I'd be curious to know like where you live, and if you have any deserted places like this, just comment them and then let me know what they are. Yeah, so check this out. This is the strip mall of it. It's like completely deserted. There's a Staples over there. All right, so we're gonna go walk in, head inside there, see what is going on. But I think it's pretty crazy. I hope this video quality turns out good enough because it's all I got. It's all I got to work with. I wasn't planning on shooting this video, but I figured I had to now. Here we are in front of the...
in my garage.
Well, here goes nothing. Mall walking. They have a whole thing just for walking now because it's so deserted here. This looks so weird. What? Look at this. This is like absolutely crazy. Carrie's shopping in one of the other stores right now. Bath and Body Works, I think they're still open in this mall, but everything else is just like completely deserted. Like there's not even any people here. And if there are people, they'll probably just be walking, like exercising. It's like actually really nice too. It's such a shame because like when I was a kid, like that's like what you did. You came to the mall and hung out with friends, and it was just like the place to do. It used to be a hot topic, I bet you. I can tell just by the way it looks. Like literally nothing could stay in business besides for Kohl's back there. We've got a Yonkers down there that used to be in business here. This is the impact of not shopping local and doing everything online. The Amazon, the Shopify drop shippers, they basically, in my opinion, killed all of this. So this is what we have for that. It's kind of sad, really. Like literally a whole empty mall. Seems like the most exciting thing going on down here is a vending machine. We got some vending machine YouTubers on the platform. I wonder how much money you'd make putting a vending machine at a place like this, though. Probably not a whole lot. I came across a old Victoria's Secret. This location of Victoria's Secret is permanently closed. Pretty crazy. It's kind of interesting. More vending machines. Looks like they've got a whole proactive stand up here to sell skincare stuff. And then more vending machines. Almost fell. I'd be really curious to see how stuff like this does and how it performs. But not great. I guess probably having those vending machines is the only way that this place could possibly be profitable for anyone, because to have an employee working here full time with no traffic coming through is basically useless. Someone just walked behind me back there. I don't know if you can see them, but they're walking their dog. This is the new place to walk your dog because it's all it's good for now. So I'm approaching this end of the mall, and it's still got Kohl's and Staples. Found the mall directory here, but I think Kohl's is in business. Bath and Body Works. Staples. There might be a couple others still in business, but other than that, I think they're all done. You have to walk back outside of the mall to even enter the store. Well, anyways, I'm gonna try and head to Bath & Body Works to find Carrie and meet back up with her, but I thought this would be an interesting video to shoot because it's just stuff like this is crazy. Like, this is a nice place and just totally out of business, and it just goes to show you the impact of e-commerce and how big of an industry it really is. So anyways, guys, smash a like on this video. So I wrapped up this video, or tried to, but Carrie just texted me and said that she can't even find Bath & Body Works, so they actually went out of business too. So anyway, she's in Kohl's right now, but pretty insane, even they couldn't stay in business. So there's basically like nothing here. All right, guys, so that was basically the whole abandoned mall and all of that stuff. I don't want to wrap the video up there without doing something positive. So what we're gonna do is something I thought would be kind of cool, is we use this end segment of the video to go ahead and buy a stock in the real estate sector. In fact, I'm gonna go after a shopping mall or shopping centers, and one I've had my eye on has been Tanger Outlet. And they basically, they're a real estate stock. They buy commercial buildings and they put shopping malls in them. We have a few around here that I've been to, and there's some that I see on the way to Florida when we're driving down there. And I noticed that they have a nice little dip. Tanger also pays dividends, which is nice, but they had a nice little dip in their stock. And I think it would be a good buy right now. So as long as we're on the topic of abandoned malls, I figured, hey, why not? So today, we're going to be using the Webull app on my phone. Webull, if you don't know, is kind of like Robinhood, but they're like the new kid on the block. They offer zero commission trades, which is nice. You can sign up for free. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. When you open an account with them and deposit $100, they give you 2 or 3 free stocks. It just depends on the promotion they're running, but those stocks are valued anywhere up to $1,000. So you definitely want to get in on that. You could literally go and deposit the $100, get your free stocks, and then pull your $100 out of there right away, and you'd still have your free stocks, which is nice if you wanted to. But anyways, let's go ahead. I'm gonna position my phone where I can see it here, and let's go ahead and buy these free stocks, or not free stocks, but this Tanger stock. So I'm gonna come down to markets. I'm gonna come to the search, and I'm gonna search for Tanger. So there it is. You can see we've got a nice little dip there. This is a pretty good time to buy. So I'm gonna hit trade, and I'm gonna select my quantity. Okay, so I'm gonna do good to close, and then I'm gonna click buy and finish the trade. All right, guys, so there you have it. Go get on that if you're not already. Comment below, let me know if you have any of these like shopping centers over by you guys that are just kind of not really staying alive right now. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, smash a like on it. Be sure to subscribe, take the bell notification icon. I'll update you every time I post a new video. And until next time, we'll see you in another video. I am Paul James. Peace out.